Oh, hi. It's WifeJak, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to buy WifeJak coins on Solana using Solflare. First, let's search for Solflare on Google. Then click on Access Wallet. Now click on I need a new wallet. Next, copy and download your safety phrase for safekeeping. After that, paste the safety phrase you just copied and click Continue. Now, just set a secure password that you can remember to get back into your wallet later. Once you do that, you have officially made a Solflare wallet. Now, let's buy some Solana so that we can swap it into WifeJak. Click the three dots next to the Sol coin and then click Buy. After that, just type how much you want to buy and go through the buying process. Once you purchase some Solana, you'll see it appear in your wallet. Then click Swap and search for Wife. After that, type the amount of Solana you want to swap into Wife and click Swap. This can take a little bit of time, so be patient. Congratulations. You have now purchased some WifeJak coins. Feel free to join the Telegram and visit our website.